It's hard to assign pride to a piece of textiles, but I have done that, and I'll tell you why. This dish towel has our original tag on it. It says here, limited edition debut series. We made these back in 2016, and look at how great it looks. Compare that to a brand new cloth just out of the package, and you'll see that these cloths, aside from a couple of slight variances, look really similar. This cloth has held up beautifully. And in this video, I want to share with you 6 ways that you can keep your microfiber cloths working really well and lasting a really, really long time. When you're thinking about doing a load of laundry for your microfiber cloths, you want to make sure that you're washing all of them together. As in, you don't want to mix in clothing or any other textiles into that load. And the reason is because microfiber is designed to pick up little bits of things. And when you're washing cotton, let's say, or another fiber in with your microfiber cloths, particularly your general purpose cloths, will start to pick up lint, and that can weave its way in, and it can be a little bit difficult to get rid of, which is why keeping everything separate not only keeps your cloths organized and makes sorting easier, but it also helps your cloths last longer. This is a bit of a debated topic in the microfiber community, but I am going to stand my ground on my stance, and that is, do not use your microfiber cloths to clean up grease and oil. The reason is because microfiber is made from fabrics that don't necessarily allow for grease and oil to rinse out easily. So if you clean up a greasy mess, you might be stuck with that on your cloth for the long haul, which is why if you have a greasy, grimy mess that you want to clean up, I would just recommend grabbing a rag. That's what they're there for. You can toss them if they're ruined and you don't really worry about it. These pristine cleaning cloths should be used for your everyday cleaning, but not the greasy, grimy, and super dirty jobs. I often get asked about maintaining these cloths and if they can be washed between machine washes or if they have to be machine washed after each use. And the answer is you can rinse the cloths really well after one use and just allow them to air dry. You can use them that way a couple of times and then you can toss them in the wash. Going back to the construction of the cloth, microfiber cloths are made out of a material that does not do well in heat. What that means is that when you're washing them, you shouldn't be using hot water, you shouldn't be putting them in the dryer on high heat, and you shouldn't even be using them on hot surfaces. For example, if you can see my glass cooktop behind me, I would make sure that my surface is cool to the touch before I use the cloth. If it's even a little bit warm, it can ruin the cloth. When it comes to washing microfiber cloths, we often get asked about how to properly wash them. And here's what I'll tell you. A regular detergent is absolutely perfect. The gentler, the better. It can do wonders on a microfiber cloth. Now that means that you don't need any additional additives. Bleach is a huge no-no for microfibers, as is fabric softener. So make sure that when you're doing your wash, it's just nice, simple, regular detergent and not too much. You just need a little to go a long way. Professional cleaners know this trick, and it's something we can all use as well. The easiest way to make sure that you're not cross-contaminating with your cloths is to color code. Now, something like a flat weave microfiber cloth, you're probably not using on a surface that would have a lot of germs, but something like a general purpose microfiber cloth could end up in the bathroom or in the kitchen or in a bedroom, which is why we have a few different colors. We've got our nice dark gray, we've got our lovely purple, and our nice light blue. And we're always thinking up new color schemes that we want to be putting out. And we do that because we know that people like to color code their cloths to keep it clean and germ-free in their homes. Make sure that you're also subscribed to the Makers Clean YouTube channel to get more great tip videos like this. Also, you want to be following us on Instagram. We're at makers.clean. We release product drops, new colors, and even have contests there. So make sure you're following us. It's about time to wrap things up. So at this point, I will thank you for watching the video, wish you a great day, and I'll see you next time.